These chains are off the living room fan. Because this one does not have the light string. It doesn't have chains. There we go. That's a little better. Actually, a lot better. Oh, what did I do? There we go. Oh crap. Awful. There. Still looks like crap, but it's the best I can do without having to use a flash, which I really don't like to do. I really don't like that. This one wobbles more because it goes faster. It means got a bad capacitor, I think.